Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will learn about the importance of Shah Waliullah and how Shah Waliullah's contributions towards Islamic revival was extremely important and how it provided a guideline for Muslims to follow later. uh, his services proved to be very important for a number of reasons. First, he was one of the first Muslim thinker to state that the decline of the Mughal Empire and the vulnerable position of the Muslims were due to neglect of the principles of Islam. He believed that if the decline in the position of Muslims was to be stopped, there had to be spiritual and moral regeneration. How this moral and spiritual regeneration took place. For this, Madrasa Rahimia continue to play a vital role in teaching Islamic principles and providing Islamic education to Muslims. Second, his writings in Persian made Islamic teachings available to large number of people, Muslims who had not been able to understand Arabic. He believed that Muslims could only prosper if they followed proper Islamic customs and did not indulge in any social evil. Shah Waliullah proved the inspiration for all Muslims to lead a pure life based on the beliefs that anti-social attitudes will result in the displeasure of God. And thirdly, he also showed that the Muslim revival could only take place if there was an acceptance that the sectarian division, as I have already told you, a division within a large group. A Muslim community is a larger community, but they are divided on the sectarians like Shias and Sunnis. He believed that this sectarian division has to stop. Muslim had to concentrate more on the basic principles of Islam, and they should not allow the differences between them to lead to the conflicts. He tried to build the bridges between the different Muslim sects and to unite the community. He tried to do this by organizing opposition to Marathas and uniting Muslims by emphasizing the importance of jihad against a common enemy. And he, as I told you, that his political services were that he wrote letters to Muslim nobles and kings to unite against the Marathans, and he also convinced Ahmad Shah Abdali to come to India and rescue the Mughal Empire, which was overrun by Marathans. And Ahmad Shah Abdali, on his advice, came to India and defeated Marathans at Battle of Panipat in 1761. So now you can imagine the troubled times in which the Muslims were suffering from, and Muslim society was divided, disorganized, and demoralized. Shah Waliullah restored their confidence by reaffirming the traditional value of their religion. At the time when the Mughal emperors, it was a time when even the Mughal emperors commanded little respect. His views provided an alternative reason for pride and optimism in Muslim community. He also asked the people that price of the failure would be the destruction of their identity if they could not united, or if they could not defend their religion, their whole identity and culture would be abolished by the other communities which were living on the same continent. So Shah Waliullah also promoted harmony within the folds of Islam and stressed the importance of Quranic teachings. This was Shah Waliullah's importance. His teachings and services continue to play important role in forging unity and harmony among Muslims. Muslims became more conscious of their identity and their religion. Later, his contribution played important part in formation of Pakistan. So this was the importance of Shah Waliullah. read it from the page number 6 of your book. Do read it. Reading is compulsory and it's very important, as I have already told you. Do read it. And your homework is that I'm going to post a question and you will have to answer. The question is that what role did Shah Waliullah played in opposing the Marathans? Let me repeat the question again. What role Shah Waliullah played in opposing the Marathans?